Your body is doing things right now that sound, well, completely and utterly impossible.
I'm talking about stuff like this. No joke, I'm totally serious. The acid in your stomach is so corrosive, it can actually dissolve metal.
Or how about this one? The very bones holding you up right now are, pound for pound, way stronger than concrete.
But you are definitely going to want to stick around for fact number 7. It literally rewrites what you thought you knew about being human.
So here's what we're going to do. We're breaking down 7 facts about your body that sound totally fake, but are 100% real.
7 unbelievable truths. Let's go.
All right, fact number 1. Wait, what? Can your stomach acid really dissolve stainless steel? You better believe it. The answer is a surprising yes.
So here's the deal. Your stomach is sloshing around with hydrochloric acid. On the pH scale, that's like a 1 or a 2, which, get this, is basically the same strength as battery acid. Yeah, it's designed to break down your food, but it's literally strong enough to dissolve a razor blade in just a couple of hours.
We're not just talking about digestion here. That is industrial strength power operating inside you at this very moment. Crazy, right?
Okay, that's some serious power, but it's nothing compared to the sheer scale of your body. So, fact number 2, if you could stretch out every single artery, vein, and capillary inside you and lay them end to end, how far do you think they would reach? Okay, brace yourself. The total length would be an unbelievable 60,000 miles.
To put that in perspective, that's long enough to wrap around the entire planet Earth 2.5 times.
You literally contain a highway system built on a planetary scale just to move your blood around. Crazy, right? On to fact number 3. Wait, what? Are your bones really stronger than steel? I mean, we always think of steel as the ultimate in strength, right? Well, the secret here is comparing them weight for weight. So yeah, a big steel bar is super strong, but if you take a piece of bone that weighs the exact same amount, it's not even a fair fight. Ounce for ounce, human bone is 5 times stronger than steel. It's this amazing composite structure that makes it both incredibly tough and surprisingly light. The takeaway here is incredible. You are literally walking around in a frame built from a superior material. Crazy, right? All right, fact number 4. We've got chemical power, super strong materials, but wait, what? Can your brain actually generate electricity?
Oh yeah, absolutely. As you're listening to me right now, your brain is pumping out about 20 watts of continuous electrical power. And to give you an idea of what that means, that's enough juice to power a modern low-wattage LED light bulb. Your brain could literally be a lamp. Every single one of your thoughts is electric. You aren't just thinking. You are literally a powerhouse. Crazy, right?
Fact number 5. Okay, let's talk senses. We all kind of think our sense of smell is, nothing special compared to a dog. But wait, what? Just how good is it really?
It is so not average. In fact, your nose is so sophisticated it can remember and identify up to 50,000 different scents.
And because smell is so deeply tied to memory, your nose is way more than just a sensor. It's a supercomputer for your experiences. Crazy, right? Let's get to fact number 6. Wait, what? How powerful is your heartbeat? I mean, this thing is just thumping away in your chest, but what kind of force are we really talking about? That constant thump-thump creates enough hydraulic pressure to squirt a jet of blood up to 30 feet. Yeah, 30. That's across a big room. That's the length of a city bus. That tiny little engine in your chest is a biological marvel, generating incredible force every second of your life. Crazy, right? Okay, and now for fact number 7, the one that changes everything, the one that truly puts the unbelievable in the human body.
Inside every single one of your trillions of cells is your DNA, your blueprint. Now, if you could take all of that DNA from just one person and uncoil it all, it would stretch
Not just to the sun, it would stretch from the Earth all the way to the sun, and then all the way back to Earth. 600 times. The amount of pure information packed inside you isn't just big, it's literally astronomical. You are extraordinary. So what's the big takeaway here? After all that, what does this actually mean?
It means you're basically a walking, talking collection of superpowers.
You've got industrial-strength chemical power, a planetary-scale circulatory system, a skeleton made of superior materials, a brain that generates its own electricity, and enough data inside you to span the solar system hundreds of times over.
Look, all of these facts sound impossible, right? Like something straight out of a comic book. But this isn't about some made-up superhero. This is about you. So I guess the only question left is, if your body is already doing all of this impossible stuff every single day, what other impossible things are you capable of?